Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you what is event delegation, and if this question comes up in your interview, how you will answer this question so that your interviewer will be completely happy. But before starting the video, I just need to show you that this is my channel. You can subscribe my channel if you are preparing for the interviews, and this is the complete playlist. If you want to answer JavaScript related question in your interview, then you can go through my complete playlist and have a look. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let me show you this code which you can see right now in your screen. I have a single file which is a HTML file. I have written some of the code. You can see I have written a UL element and some scripts I have written. Let me show you how event delegation helps. Okay, so if I show you this example, I have three items right now. So whenever I click on it, it prints something. Or you can assume in your brain that we can fire some sort of action based on this particular target. Wherever we are clicking, we can get some sort of IDs or content and do some data manipulation or do some sort of operation and show in the web page. Okay, right now when I'm clicked on item 1, it is showing you clicked on item 1. When I clicked on 3, it is showing you clicked item 3. So you may be thinking that I am showing you right now click events. So I have attached 3 click event listeners on this, but that is wrong. I haven't attached 3 click event. That is the beauty of event delegation. See, instead of applying each and every li click event and fire different events based on the li click, what I have done, I have attached the event to the parent, and I am utilizing wherever it is clicked, I am capturing that particular event, and then I am doing the operation based on the text content. Okay, so that is what known as event delegation. Means we are not applying each and every event to the li, but we are applying to the parent, and this saves a lot of events what we are going to use in this li items. Okay, so let me show you how the code is written. You can see what I'm doing. I'm first getting the parent, as parent is a id, so I'm using get element by id and then selecting the parent, and I'm attaching the event listener, and that event is click event. And then whenever the click is happening on the parent, as these childs are present inside the parent, whenever user clicks on maybe item 1 or 2 or 3, then this parent is clicked. Okay, so when this parent is clicked, then this function is fired. Okay, so here we are trying to get the tag name, because see, so here in ul, user may click somewhere else, not in this li items, but user may click on this ul. Okay, so at that time what we should do, we should not handling that case. We are only handling this li cases. If the tag name where the user is clicking, if that is li, then what you do, just console whatever the inner text means whatever this text is written, just console. But you can get this text content and do any kind of operation. Okay, that basically depends on you how you want to utilize this child events. Okay, if you understood the concept, then please subscribe the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who are preparing for interviews. Let's meet in the next video. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.